Craft Shala all the time. Craft Shala, like every time people use like the mentor who used to come in like in classroom training or like online training, they used to come and they used to ask like from where you're coming, like how you got this job. We were like Craft Shala. Around 60 people from 128 people like, oh, all Craft Shala only. What is this Craft Shala? They were so curious like. Myself Ritik Nada. I'm a media planner. I'm from Mumbai. I have done my graduation here only in Bachelor's of Management Studies and in then marketing. I was like wasting my time for 6 months after that for thinking what to do. Meanwhile, one of my friend was in MLP one. Okay, Ali. He have done that. He got the placement, and then I decided to do from Craftsella. I wanted to do because I have done an internship in during my college, like for 3 months. It was good, but like I wanted to learn more. So then I joined in. Like I enrolled around in January. Then I started in March, and it's like almost 3 years, 2.5 years now. After my degree, I was not sure like I want to do a job or not. Then Corona was there, and it was not easy to get jobs. Like there are some companies only come to TCS, like they hire and all. So during my like third year, I have done for 3 months. I have done digital marketing internship, and in that I learned about Facebook ads and all. That person was not much available to teach me a lot of things, but one day he taught me about Facebook ads, and rest of the time I used to handle that Instagram page. Then I was like, it's a good thing, like it's a creative thing like that. And for 6 months I was like doing events and all. Then one of my friend told me in June only कि क्राफ्टशाला चालू हो रहा है कोर्स है वो कर लेते हैं वहाँ पे 4.5 लाख का पैकेज बोल रहा है. Everyone after college like looking for package only if they have not specifically interest in anything. I was like ठीक है सेल्स नहीं करना. मैंने टेस्ट तो दिया था. Then I didn't join in MLP 1. He joined. I was like, you complete, then you get placed, then I will decide. So, first of all, there was a package, okay? And besides package, there was 100% placement guarantee, okay? नो MBA कॉलेज नो भाई अब ग्रेड हो कोई भी वो नहीं देता यार. मैंने लाइफ में कभी सुना ही नहीं था 100% प्लेसमेंट गारंटी एग्रीमेंट साइन करवा रहे हैं. क्या क्या हो रहा है भाई. आई वाज लाइक वाओ नाइस. लाइक even they are signing the agreement, right? We are not just we are signing the thing. Like we will get placed. So that thing was that like 100% placement guarantee is there, and I have seen the stats before, and I have asked my friend also like 52 बच्चे लोग थे वो लोग के फर्स्ट टू बैच मिला के. तो कितने लोग सब प्लेस हो गए थे. सबको अच्छी कंपनीज मिली, सबको अच्छा पैकेज मिला. ऐसा नहीं कि सब बड़ी बड़ी एमएनसीज में ही हुए, जो नॉर्मल स्टार्टअप्स में भी हुए हैं वो लोग का भी अच्छा ग्रोथ है, अच्छा लर्निंग्स है. एंड ये था एक. एंड देन इट वाज ऑनलाइन ऑलरेडी, ओके. एंड आई डोंट हैव टू स्पेंड to travel. I don't have to spend my energy to travel in Mumbai at least. Because if I am traveling in Mumbai, like it's like, oh, then I have to focus on studies. I have to wake up at like, if I have a lecture at 9 and I have to wake up at like 7 or 8 कि हाँ उठ के जाना है भाई मेरे को ट्रैवल करना है. देन मेरे को वहाँ पे आके फोकस करना है. एंड इन क्राफ्ट इट्स लाइक if I wake up at 9 and there is a lecture at 9:30, it's like I am having my breakfast and I get fresh and then I join the lecture. It was online. It was so convenient to like be present, and because it was like I just have to force myself because there is no one like around me to like force me to give attention. Okay, so I put myself into that. As soon as like 3 months gone from the Craftshala, 2 months was like hectic. Everyone know how like people are so desperate for getting job and all, and we were like seeing, texting a lot like to help people say what to do, like what the update of the status. So my first interview went in Publicis after the course, and then everyone got the feedback for the interview like within like my interview happened on Thursday and everyone happened on that week only around Wednesday or Thursday. Then they got the update around Saturday, and few people got update on Monday. But mine I got around like next Thursday. So I was so like annoyed and all like what to do, what's happening, and in between like I waiting for 1 week I like missed some companies also to apply. I was waiting for people to say. I thought like it's if they are holding, they have a positive feedback. But then I learned how to accept the rejections also. Then 2 months happened. I applied in two to three companies also, like Publicis e-commerce, Publicis media. That was there. Merkel was there. And I got to know like, so in a group there are like around 100 people. They might be a competition, but they can help you a lot. I have initiated that if there is a like interview, okay, and around 20 people got selected. So we had a personal WhatsApp group also for MLP7. So I shared. We used to create new groups for specific companies, and we used to share the feedback of the interview and what they have questioned. People who interviewed first didn't got used to like get help, but the other people got a lot. Like I didn't got much help because like I was always the first or second. But I have seen people like appreciating me for doing that also, like helping, and I have good connection with them right now. And then around in course ended in June 4th something, and like July ending was there, and I have given interview from outside in Hive Minds. Okay, so then I got selected there, but I saw that Group M came in Grafshala for interviewing. I was like, ठीक है, देख लेते हैं. Then I got some health issues. Then like I was like, I had dengue. I didn't knew I had dengue, but then I got hospitalized. The interview had to happen on that day, but I postponed that interview to the next day. Then I have given the interview from the hospital only, like doctors came in. It was good, like not much harder, but like you have to be specifically clear about the basics things and be confident about yourself. Then there was a structure in Group M, okay. They have launched the Envisage 4 also. I was in Envisage 2. So in Envisage 2, there was like 6 month internship, 6 months executive trainee I will be, and then I will be an executive, okay. So in August 8, I joined in 2022. Then like we have learned around in even in Craftsala we learned a lot of things, but that about brands we learned, okay. Here we learned about like how the basic things will be, how we plan, how do we execute, how what's the platform works, how what's the bidding strategy. But the real life is like little much different, okay, because in Group M there is like a lot of teams to do a lot of things. Like for execution there is different team, for planning there is a different team and all. Not like startups, one person will handle everything. Okay. Then for 2 months there was in classroom training only in Group M. Then we got into like personal mentor we got four people mentors we got, but then that was not KPI for those people. They have different KPIs for their job. They were just helping us like how to learn. But they have thought a lot of things. PLS setup was there in Facebook, how to create Facebook campaign, how brand works, what is PLS study is there, what is programmatic, how to do programmatic setup and all, DV360 setups. Then around like 4 months went in all those things only one month with one mentor. Then in Feb there was our results for internship. We are getting fixed or not. Then I waited for 1 week because like there was an so around 128 people were there, all pan India. And Mumbai it was like 48 people. And in Mumbai the from that 40 people, 10 people was getting selected for HUL account. So no one interviewed for any other the job they got placed in fixed in Group M. But we interviewed. We got interviewed. So we have given our interviews. Then I got into planning. It was an integrated role, TV planning and digital both. But I cleared with the interviewer that I will be interested in digital planning only. And he understood that thing. And I am doing media planning from last 1.5 years on Dove brand, Dove shampoo and conditioner. I've heard a lot of things from my female friends about Dove already. Like you might have experience also. But yeah, it's a good brand to work on. Yes, they used to be so jealous because like so there were in classroom training, okay, for 2 months, and like almost usme bhi almost six weeks there was na only digital part. The rest 2 weeks was TV part. So we didn't have any idea about TV, but we had about digital. We were like we are one step further from those people. Even people from Upgrad, people who got job from LinkedIn, people who have experience from SEO like normal experience only, they got hired. But I have seen the difference. Now we were so excited to answer everything we knew because we already knew what they are teaching, okay? And even we were so curious, like ये क्या है, इससे क्या होता है, like ये कैसे करते हैं, ये करना है तो कैसे करना है, इसमें कैसा है. So they were like, oh, people are doing marketing out of Craftshalla only. Yeah. Craftshalla, all the time Craftshalla. Like every time people use like the mentor you used to come in like in classroom training or like online training, they used to come and they are used to ask like from where you're coming, like how you got this job. We were like Craftshalla. Around 60 people from 128 people, like, oh, all Craftshalla only. What is this Craftshalla? They were so curious, like, oh, like, oh, you got to learn. There is any scope of there. Like हम लोग को एक्सपर्ट सिखाना था तो हम मेरे को भी सिखाने का मौका मिला. No, bro. Like that. So there was a so much different representation of craft people from Craftshalla that we have the idea what we are working in. But people who came from upgrade and all, they were so confused. So they don't even have connections, okay? Like even we from MLP 6, MLP 7, okay? We had connection and we built that connection because we have the same experience, all the MLP people, human skills lectures and all. We knew how to sit for like whole 6 days, like from 10 to 6, how to sit the whole day. We never complained ना कि मेरे को घर जाना है यार internship भी अभी कुछ सिखा नहीं देता हूँ. We have that experience and like so I have seen people कि upgrade से आए या कहाँ से भी आए. The people who came from Craftsana na had a better experience there because like that basics was clear. They were learning the core part. In media, you are like having a lot of things. The creativity. You are like discussing with the creative team. Like you have an idea. Like you can represent as a so ऐसा plan है ये budget हो सकता है. Then you deal with some publishers and like there was a glance app. Okay, in Androids are there. OnePlus पे है कुछ and then मतलब small models पे होता है जो नहीं होता glance करके एक है. So in that lock screen ads are there. So I explored that. Snapchat, I explored how it works. But we don't get to execute in those campaigns. But we get to know that ki how it works. Okay, what are the planning? What the budget कितना होगा? कितने लोग तक हम reach करेंगे? And there are also type of audiences also discriminations. कि भाई मतलब ये बंदे ने पहले हमारे वेबसाइट पे खरीदा था 400 का प्रोडक्ट, ये क्यों खरीदेगा 2000 का, तो इसको टारगेट करके कुछ मतलब नहीं है. तो वैसे लाइक ब्रांड मतलब ब्रांड मैनेजर ऐसा बोल देते हैं भाई वो 400 रुपये का खरीदने वाला कौन 2000 का खरीदेगा, तो प्रीमियम प्रोडक्ट है. तो अल्फा इंडिया को दिखाना है खाली ऑडियंस को जो एकदम प्रीमियम ऑडियंसेस है. तो उस तरह का टारगेटिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे अवेलेबल है, लाइक सैमसंग CTV इज देयर, यूट्यूब इज देयर, देयर इज फेसबुक, लाइक दैट. जो प्लेटफॉर्म यूज डिस्कवर करना है हमें. एंड वाज अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस आफ्टर क्राफ्टशाला. When you go to other courses like upgrade is there and many other courses are they take fees and all, but there is no placement guarantee. Even if they say people don't like companies which comes and all, but Craftshala I have seen the people in my team who have spent 45 lakhs on a masters, global masters, and they are getting 9.5 lakhs package, and I'm like wow. But we both are working in same company, in the same team, same role. You will be a manager in 1 year. Nothing like big. I'm an executive here, but yeah, it's fine. Designation doesn't matter. The experience matters. I'm getting around 8.5 or like 50% hike now, so I will be equal to same. But like ROI depends a lot in Craftshala. Like I have seen 1.5 lakh people are spending and they are getting 4.5 lakhs package and they are not happy. I'm like, you are an idiot, buddy. You're not happy. There is 300% ROI, return on investment, bro. Like within 1 year. And like before paying Craftshala fees, I have earned 1.5 lakhs in craft like Group M only through internship. Then when I got fixed, then I paid the fees. The amount I have already earned like through the internship. People don't understand that thing actually. And like a lot of things I remember from human skills, how we have to interact, how to like make friends in the industry. Like if my manager is like, if someone is new is coming in the team, Ritik, you will do onboarding because I am like a more type of extrovert and like I handle those people like comfortable थोड़ा करा लेना, the team में ऐसा वैसा है ठीक है. So I have onboarded a lot of people, like around 6 to 7 people who joined recently, like in last 6 to 7 months.